kisaze ne kivaayo gye kiri ne kiyingira lugogo.
Owulira otya?
Katonda bw'atyo wakola ebintu bye. Omanyi kati g'okola ekituufu ky'omanyi nti kyekituufu ebisigadde n'obirekera Mukama Katonda ye n'akola nga bw'alabye.
Akasimu kakukubiddwa n'ogamba otya?
Kati no basooka okunkubira essimu ne ndowooza nti babya abafere balimba. Era ndowooza mu bantu abagenda okupafominga nze omu asinze okubatawaanya ennyo. Kubanga kiraba ngamba aba fireboy kubira Suuna Beni nebaga abasajja balemerako bano baba balina kye baagala era ekyo kibeere kyakuyiga oba olina ekintu kyonoonya lemerako abasajja ne balemerako mpaka bwe natandise okulaba nga abasajja balina ddala mutuufu kye bakola kye boogera ningamba Mukama Katonda bino nabyo bikoze nengezaako kunoonyereza ku badijja abalanga gye bali balamu tebaafudde anasose nengamba baafudde babadde balwadde kiki nembakubira nga balamusa wagye bali muli bulungi tolina wakuluma ati nengamba bakikoze bati munnange nange nengenda n'ekyo naye Mukama Katonda weebale ugumiikiriza bukutuusa ku bingi nnyo.
Kati ekinyanyanyanya okitegese otya okubeera wali erugogo wali eri? Mbitegese ngenda kubasinzimula endongo omanyi engeri gye tuli nti nno ffe twagireetera e Kampala era ffe tumanyi bwe tugigerengetanya nange ngenda kubasinzimula endongo bano abawuwowo bulijjo abagenda nze ngiyiikula ngiseemu akagaba gajja gabalukanga endebe linda ekigenda okubeera erugogo wano bannange bwenna mujje mulabe ku Suuna Beni jangu ngoze kula akyaliwo Suuna Beni bakyali baboda wabayise dda
bakyali banga baboda kanyongere mbayite na wano
naye balina sente ziyingira
bazirina singa kye baba bagenda okuyingira baba bakyagala
bamutwalo
ekibagaana okuyingiramu ebyo bye mulowooza tibabyagala naye bwabanga omuntu bamwetaaga bagenda nze kati ondaba ne bwe nkwata ekivulu kyange nze Suuna Beni n'ekitwala mu Lwera abantu bajjayo ekyo nze ekyekakasa naye buli muntu talina bumalirivu olwo olw'ensonga nti nno kuba kumira pini n'olw'ensonga eyo nebaza Mukama Katonda olw'ekyo.
Suuna Beni bagamba oliroko fireboy obadde omumanyi ye?
Ndi loko kituufu era ekyokubeera loko tikikugaana ate era kumanya batali loko. Fireboy mbadde mumanyi naye lwakuba mbadde bafaani bange tibatera nnyo kugamba ennyimba ze tebazikola kitebadde tebazaaniriza nnyo nga sizitadde mu kinyaanya bwe zibanga nkalukalu baa tebazaagala naye bwe nziyikulamu ekigoma nga kijja kizivaako emabega nga bagamba kyekyo omwana weeka aleese era nabagambye nti nno omusajja bulijjo gwe mukubira endongo n'engiteekamu ebinyaanya yazze mujje tugende tumwagire era bagenda kujja.
Omusajja tukulabye ng'omukwatako ng'omutyawo akuyita mwebongeko ng'otyayo
okitegeera nange bwe nsinkana abaagala okumbongako nga bantya bwe bityo omanyi bino embeera ebaawo naye musiŋŋana
toweefukidde
kati ekikulu
Suuna Beni oli mulogo nti n'endongo eno gitambuliza ku ddogo
kati dogo sibiri singa buli omu yalya singa dogo lyalyo singa tewali bayimbi bagwa naye bagwa enkya neggulu olw'ensonga nti nno dogo teririiyo singa libalibaayo singa buli omu abeera wakabi buli kaseera.
Suuna g'okoladde ekivulu erugogo?
Nkoladde ekivulu erugogo tewakeesa nze bafaani abange baagala kuvaawo ku makyanga akasana kaase.
Suuna Beni otera otambula ne mukwano gwo mbazira ttone ye omuleseewo ate omulese kulaba ku muyimbi?
Mbazira ttone gyali era tubeera bumu era nja kubaawo naye.
Ogenda dosiibula abasiraamu gye yabadde? Ogenda dosiibula abasiraamu gye yabadde?
Yabadde mu kisibo tuli mikwano gy'abasiraamu lwakuba mwe mugenda olwokuba tukuba endongo ne tukwata mu kisibo mugenda ne mulowooza nti abasiraamu si mikwano gyaffe
bakutadde ku lisi ne bagamba naawe ogenda basiibulula naawe
abayisiraamu isi walinako buzibu era mbasiibulula waliwo n'olukuŋŋaana lw'abayisiraamu nalimu nengula ku luhaani
munno bamuwadde ennya ly'akamadigere bakuwa Zubairi walyaniriza
sirina buzibu nalinnya l'Abayisiraamu lyonna ndyaniriza
naye nga akasolo ko kyakakyoncomola
akokola nti
kabojjogola
naye bannange just nze sikalinako buzibu naye nga sikali kale era sikali kaali kanzitiddaani siwulyangayo nti omugenzi gundi yafudde alidde n'olw'ensonga eyo sikayinaako tabbu n'abalya
ki ekisinga okuwoomera kuko
ndeka musajja gwe
okuteeka ku kivulu kino ekya fireboy bulandi yo kigireseewa
kigiyongeddeko amaanyi kinyambyeko n'okwongera okukakkanya abatugeraageranya omanye ebintu bino bizibu era nze nebaza Mukama Katonda nti nno ne ku awards ezimu ezaabalumira mwoyo abamira omwoyo ne banteekamu omanyi balwawo okutulowoozaako olumu nga bagamba nti oba banaagamba batya naye waliwo awaadi ezimu nga bamira omwoyo ne banteekamu tewali yali ampangudde mu zonna awaadi zebaali banominatinzeewo n'olw'ensonga eyo nkisanyukidde nnyo kino babanga n'abantu babiyita batya uptown nga nabo batandise okubeera nga balaba obulungi bw'ebintu byaffe bye tukola tukisanyukidde nsanyuse nnyo okubanga ngenda kupafoomingakokko mu audience yaabwe.
Suuna Ben asinga ofunayo akadde ne Fireboy bigambo ki by'oyinza omugamba?
Nali musabe sente naye nina
ayogera nga tugeza ali awo yuuyawo mugamba mu luzungu awo
nga tunyumya ki
nga munyumyamu babaleseemu wali mu lumu
tunyumya ki sirina mboozi nyinza kunyumya
musajja asala eri yonna ensi amawanga n'amawanga nga lwaki tofunayo kigambo
mugamba big up.
When I found my sound, I knew that I had a chance to go global. So that was not the focus at the time. I just really wanted people to listen to me. And I focused on making good music. And when you do that, and you become successful, people listen, the music spreads. And that's how you go global, that's how you go international. And then there became the need to push not just the sound, but the culture out there too. And that's why, collaborations like the one with Extra were very important, stuff like that. Yeah. But to be honest, that was not the main goal. I just really wanted to do it.
Yeah, you just want to be cultural. You're quite a creator, right? I mean, fashionably, like art-wise and all of that. How much of your creativity is directed just to your music, or is creativity for you just an overall thing? What I'm basically asking you is, if you were to describe your creative process, what is that like?
I like to think I'm an all-round musician because my life wasn't able to on music. I read a lot of solitude. I read books. I write poetry sometimes when I'm bored. But yeah, it's music all the time, to be honest. And that's where I really feel safe. That's where I feel like myself when I'm making music, when I'm creating. It's only one thing in the back of my mind when I'm making a song. It's intentional about what I'm writing about. How I want to feel. That kind of really drives my creative process.
Yeah. One last question. I'm going to come back to you. We have a whole bunch of things to ask. From your previous album, and your debut album in 2019, to your second album, it's just been a whirlwind. How do you think you've grown as an artist?
Well, not just as an artist, as a person too. I think that's really important. That's what most artists fail to recognize. They only focus on their growth as artists and not as human beings. And I always like to have people when I'm in my show. Like I said, every album is a different version of me. The first album was that young boyish, young naive boy who was falling in love and like new to the fame and all that stuff. And I thought the second album was more of a man. I decided to be more expressive and tell my own stories. Because my first album was not my story to say, other people's stories. My third album I'm working on is very it's out of the box. It's carefree. It's a different mind space. It just shows that my growth as a person, not just as an artist. I want people to see that.
Absolutely. I love that. I'm hoping to
take it in a global space and still be part of a great company of Innocent or Black Impact. So it was only necessary for us to get into this partnership to be able to provide amazing experiences for our consumers and for the people who attend the concert, to be able to also celebrate the Black culture together with Guinness and Fireboy as a whole country as well. Because I believe the Black culture is going to take the whole continent forward.
I really love that you said that, Black culture. But one of the things that are very apparent to me about
fashion, it's very Afro music, it's groovy, and like I said, I found myself lost in the old group. I was doing what everyone else was doing. I realized that how can I stand out? So I tried to focus more on my lyrics, use very intentional and deliberate choice of words, and that's what I focus on when I write. Even when I'm writing other genres like R&B and pop, I like to infuse elements of my culture, elements of my roots. So you know that, this is R&B, this is not Afrobeat, but it's African singing. So that's what I appreciate.
I heard through the grapevine that you could have been a professor right now. But instead, you're talking music and you're talking just making such an impact in Africa. When did you realize you had to go all out for just the music?
I think it was my second year of music. I was the greatest student, by the way, until when I started like on purpose, like I always say. And you kind of, when you find purpose, you kind of shift your focus away from every other thing in life. I'm just so focused on one thing. That's what happened. And I realized that that's what I wanted to do in my life. It was easy to be able to say, no more professor, scholar things. Let's just focus on the music. I'm glad I did.
So I noticed the timeline in which you were able to achieve what you've been able to achieve. How has this shocked you? Has this surprised you? Or how are you processing crazy amount of fame? How are you processing that? I mean, how do you know who to keep close, who to keep far away?
And that's never been a problem for me. I don't have many friends. Even before the fame, I'm very I've always been very inclusive. Always kept to myself. I prefer words to people. So that's never been a problem. But fame can still let you up, even if you're a learner. So I always try to make sure that I protect my energy. Whenever I go out, and speak to people and meet people and relate and engage with people, I come back home, talks.
Yeah.
Do the things I love doing. Do human things. Go for a drive myself. Read books. Write scene points. Yeah. Things that remind me that I'm doing something. I always enjoy doing them.
I love that. Yeah. Random. So random. Let me ask you a very random question. If the world were to end right now, right, and you could eat only one meal for the rest of your life because the world is ending, what meal would you eat?
Well, by looking food, of course, it is eba and a goosey soup. With goat meat.
With goat meat.
Yeah. Maybe a bottle of Guinness.
That's a really good one. Okay. One more thing. Have you tasted any of the local food?
Well, I just got it last night, so I haven't really had time.
So you haven't had a chance?
Yeah.
Should I tell you what you have?
I love African food. I'm very concentrated with food, so I love African food.
You should try a thing they call Rolex.
Rolex?
Yeah, like a watch.
It's an actual food.
It is actual food. I'm going to call up my friend. He's got a couple of questions to ask you right now. So come on up.
Our local superstar DJ down the whole stadium. How does it feel to be part of a big artist big brand like this at a very big platform like this?
Microphone. Can you move the microphone?
And I'm very sure that I'm going to perform the best you expect from me. Being a big event, I'm just calling upon everybody to come and see Suuna in another version. Yes. I'm calling upon all my fans to come and see Suuna in another version. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Suuna Band.
Burna Boy, I've done collabos with, Ice Prince. I've done collabos with a bunch of artists from there. You know what I mean? So, you know when you've got a special artist and a special act. You know what I mean? As well as that, my boy DJ Chief running the show. You understand?
Yes,
so that's my guy for life. You know what I'm saying? So
what I want to appreciate from you is the fact that you really will do your thing regardless of whatever the situation is.
Yeah, absolutely.
So for you to go out there, it was really cold actually.
Yes.
So big up on yourself.
No.
Are you going to be performing?
Absolutely. I'm going to be performing at the show, Shutting It Down. So get ready for that, man. You understand?
You already know. So we get one question from the audience to anyone here, but we only...
For the weather. Kampala, you never know. Okay? And please drink responsibly.
Thank you to everyone who came out to the media houses, partners, everybody. Thank you so much. Also, big love and respect to my bro Natya for coming out to welcome me to this beautiful city. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And finally, to the fans, I want to thank you guys for working with me from 2019 to now. I'm looking forward to spending time with you guys tomorrow. I just want to have fun with you guys. When I have fun, the guys have fun too. So yeah, let's do this.
Oyagala omukolo gw'enjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire Backing Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: Note 7 Note 2 emu Note 4 emu 25 oba Note 755 3 731 oba Note 777 Note 23 4 Note 5. King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.